So the dollar CAD closed the week at 97.76. We're still in a bear market, if you will. Our real significant point is the 99.28, and this is the there is your 99.28, which is the low of April, and that was giving us the bounce to the upside, and it has been again respected for all the last, and this is the 99.28. This is where we're looking at as it could be close to our turning point. This close that I have here, which is right at the low of the day, the close at 66, the low of the day was 65, so it's just one pip so I think this is not a normal close for me. It's not a close that gives me comfort or indicate I need to see that it breaks below the low before I actually initiate a selling point. So in this case, my selling point is going to be the low of the day, which is 97.56, and my structure short in this case or my next significant point is going to be actually this one here, which is 97.24. Okay, so my short point is going to be $97.65, and my buying point, and this is also going to be my structural short. No, my structural short. That's my structural short. It's 97.24. And if I'm going to go short, below 97.65, I'm going to, there's no way I can place my stop unless there's no place to place my short stop. There's nothing. So the only thing I can take is the 98.23. My short stop, okay. Now where will I buy this baby? Look at this. So there is nothing to buy unless it gets above 98.60. My buying point is 98.60. And if I buy it above 98.60, I'm going to use the 98.23 as my stop. And my structure long is the 98.30. And my structural short is the 97.24. So as you can see, the Canadian here, as far as this, it looks pretty strong. It's a little bit more extended. So we have to be careful before we take the continuation trade. This is a big range day, so we have to apply the big range rules, and we are going to be patient before we take the trade. As far as the buy side, there is nothing but air over here. This is, we will only take it above these structures because we don't know what's going to be happening over here. Okay, so to wrap the dollar CAD, our long point is 98.60. My structure long is, oops, well, in this case the structure long should be the same as the, so what I'm going to do here, just to maintain the consistency of the way we trade, the structure point and the dollar CAD is the 98.30, which I'm going to show you here so that you can see it. Now, as you can see, it is actually the several daily lows and daily highs are all sitting right there. So for the sake of consistency, we are going to be beginning to look at buying over here. If you want to be cautious and wait until it gets above the 98.60, then all the power to you. Okay, I personally would, because I have all of that stuff, and again, I want to make sure that the prices do go above this. Therefore, I can take my stop and place it below the 98.30 so that I am on the safe side and I have a big solid foundation under my feet. Okay, and therefore I put the 98.30 just so that we can remain consistent in the way we trade and the way we analyze. We're not improvising every day, and we know, right, in this case, what we're going to do. My short point is the 97.65. My structural short is the 97.24, and if I do go short, my stop is 98.23, which is the same one for my long and my short position. Okay, that is the dollar CAD.